Most people think acting is some magical talent that you're either born with or it's just not your thing. But the truth is, acting is a skill, just like playing guitar or practicing a sport. And if it is a skill, that means you can learn it too. Hey everyone, my name is Evgeny and welcome to Evgeny's Acting Studio and to our second lesson Introduction to Acting within the series of Acting Foundation Masterclass lessons available on Evgeny's Acting Studio school community. And the first thing we're going to talk about today is why anyone can learn acting. The first thing I want to mention in today's lesson is that acting is all about behaviors, not pure talent. Of course, to some extent, you always need a talent, no matter what you do, but don't limit yourself with this thought. Think of this in this way, that acting is all about behaviors. So it's all about movement of your body, about your voice, your breath, your imagination, your communication with other artists on the set, and with your audience. So it's all practical skills that you can actually master and learn, training them every single day. The second main point why anyone can learn acting is that repetition builds naturalness. You might ask, what does it mean? Well, it means that the more you practice some really crucial and important exercises, the less you try and the more real and confident you become as an actor. The third main point here is that the camera is not your enemy that wants to showcase your flaws and mistakes. No, see it better as a mirror that helps you see your progress along the way. And now a mini exercise to conclude our short lesson for today. Place any camera you have. You can use your smartphone, it will do just fine. So look at the camera for 10 seconds. Start breathing naturally. And now think of it as not as a camera, but imagine that you are talking to a close friend or a family member. Just imagine any person you would love to talk to now. Be specific. The more specific you will be, the better you'll do this exercise. So I'm looking at the camera, I'm calm, I'm breathing naturally, and I imagine the person I want to talk to now. And now all you have to do is just say your name and mention one thing you love doing. I'll give an example. Hey, my name is Evgeny and I love reading books. That's it, guys. It was simple, honest, human, and very connected. And that was actually acting already. And I'll explain why in our next chapters along the way. Now, after finishing this lesson, I suggest you watch the following lesson where we're going to destroy the very popular myths about acting.